Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my brows because I get so many freaking requests and it's super simple. So you see this pencil right here, it's called Gabriella. I get this from my beauty supply store. It's literally $1 in the front. So all I do is draw a line above my top line of my brow. So you know you got your brow is already shaped. So I'm really just going to outline the shape of my brow. So I'm drawing a line above my brow and the line at the bottom of my brow. From there, all I'm going to do is just fill this brow in. Now the great thing about brows is you could do your natural shape or you can do a fake shape. Like you can do whatever. I don't do that much because I'm not good at drawing for one, and then girl, coloring inside, doing all that extra shit, it's just not for me. So I'm just coloring inside. Now this is a dark brown, but I like to make my eyebrows a little bit darker, so I go in with this Maybelline Studio black eyeliner. You're gonna see it right here. There we go. And it's in the color black, and all I do is take just a small dab of that on that type of brush, and I'm going to put it on top of the dark brown. Now my goal is not to get a black eyebrow, no, but I just want a deeper eyebrow, and I can't do it with all black because it's not going to look good. So when I mix it in with the brown pencil and then I go in with the black, it comes out pretty good. Next, all I'm going to do is take a concealer, my LA Girl Pro concealer in the color Beautiful Bronze, and I'm going to clean this up. So that top and that bottom line, I'm just going to go under it now and retrace it with concealer. Hopefully I'm explaining this the best way because my brow routine is so simple, guys. Like, it really is. So I'm doing the top part just like that. I'm just retracing that shape I made with concealer just to give it like a cleaner look. And then from here, girl, you're going to be good. Now, what I am going to do is show you another way to shade it. You see that shape? Girl, that shape look good as a bitch. Girl, eyebrow on what? So I'm taking my spoolie, and all I'm going to do is just shade it from the back going forward because the back has the most product. So I'm going to brush that product forward. I'm going to bring that product kind of forward. I'm not brushing forward, but I'm shaping from the back, just going to the front. And it looks like that. Girl, that shit look bomb. So let's do the second one. All you're going to do is draw a line at the top of your brow. Not draw a line, but I'm outlining the top part of my brow, outlining the bottom part. And then I'm going to go ahead and fill it in. Now, it's so simple in doing this, y'all. Most times I have great difficulty trying to do the right side of my brow. FYI, I am left-handed, so sometimes doing the right side is just like the most annoying, but I got it. It works. My brows are not twins, sis. I like to say they are cousins. You know, they cousins that fuck with each other. Sometimes they be arguing. So anyways, I'm going to take my concealer, and then again, I'm going to just trace that outline I did just to clean this up. Now, if you do not have a spoolie, right, I'm going to show you a little hack, and some people may already know this because, I mean, shit, I used to do it for the longest time. If you don't have a spoolie and you need to shade your brow, all you have to do is take a, what's this, y'all, cotton... What the fuck is this? Okay, that. I can't think of the name of it. God damn, it really just lost. A Q-tip. Here we go. And you're going to shade it. Again, I'm starting from the back and bringing that product on up as I'm moving it back. Just to bring it up to the front, and it gives you the same type of shade if you didn't have a spoolie. Now, the reason why I learned this is because I lost my spoolie and I needed to do my damn brows, sis, but that came in handy. Last but not least, go ahead and clean up the concealer, and that is honestly it, y'all. Like, it only took me 11 minutes to film this, but it's not that long. Like, brows don't take that long, and I don't have too many steps to it. I literally use 2 products, and they're all, what, $1? Like, they ain't that, it's not that bad. And that's it. And I could go without that Maybelline black, but I like it because it adds, like, that darkness to my brow that I really, really need. But I love that Gabriella pencil. And once I clean up my brows, I go ahead to the middle part and I go ahead and remove it the excess so that I don't have a unibrow. And once I remove that, girl, them brows is laid. That's it. So I really hope that you guys found this helpful. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I'm not doing another brow tutorial, sis, because they're the same. But I'm happy that you like them. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I am NeneTanae. To all my new subbies, hey boos. And I will talk to you guys later. Bye, y'all. Mwah.